We're heading out the door in 15 minutes for my daughter's final orchestra rehearsal before the winter concert, and her hair is doing that thing where it's simultaneously in her face and tangled in her cello strings. If you've ever watched a girl trying to play an instrument with hair falling forward, you know this is not a small problem. So we're doing a quick braided side ponytail. 5 minutes, holds all evening, and it's positioned low enough that she looks her age instead of looking like she raided the kindergarten dress-up bin. Let's go! First things first, we need to start with hair that's actually brushable. If there are tangles, get them out now or this whole thing falls apart. I'm brushing everything to one side slightly behind her ear. The key here is low. We're not doing a high cheerleader pony. This sits at about ear level or just below, which reads much more sophisticated on older girls. Gather everything to one side. Don't stress about perfection. A little texture and looseness actually makes this look more intentional and less like you're trying too hard. Now we're braiding. If you've never done a 3-strand braid, this is your moment to learn because it's genuinely the most useful skill in all of hairstyling. Divide the ponytail into 3 equal sections, left, middle, right. Take the right section and cross it over the middle. Now that piece becomes the new middle. Take the left section and cross it over the middle, and that piece is now the new middle. Right over middle, left over middle, right over middle, left over middle. You're just alternating sides, always crossing over the center piece. Once you get a rhythm, you can do this in your sleep. My hands do it on autopilot at this point. Before we finish this up, I want to mention, if you're enjoying these quick holiday hairstyles, I'd love to have you join my newsletter. It's where I share weekly encouragement for mothers of daughters, things that don't always make it to YouTube. The link to join is in the description, and I'd be so glad to have you. Now, here's the trick for older girls. Don't braid all the way to the ends. Stop about 2 or 3 inches from the bottom, and this does 2 things. First, if she has layers, and most girls do, they won't stick out in weird little spikes at the end. Second, you get a fuller, prettier ponytail finish instead of a sad little skinny tail that just kind of trails off. Secure the end with an elastic. And now the finishing touch, the black lace double layer bow. I chose this one because it complements her age and her outfit. It's elegant without being over the top, and the black works with literally everything she owns, which is the kind of versatility I appreciate on a busy morning. Just clip it right at the base of the ponytail, covering that elastic. And that's it. Hair that will stay put through an entire rehearsal, a look that's age appropriate and polished, and we did it in the time it takes to find matching socks. She's ready, hair is secure, out of her face, and she can actually focus on her music instead of constantly tucking strands behind her ear. This is day 1 of our 25 days of holiday hairstyles. We'll be doing everything from super quick styles like this all the way up to some really beautiful formal updos, so make sure you're subscribed. And if you like what you saw me working with today, that black lace bow, everything I make is handcrafted with the same care and attention. The shop link is in the description, and I'd be honored to serve you. Thanks for being here. I'll see you tomorrow with day 2.